Hi, I'm Marta from Shopblocks. Today I want to show you an amazing feature called stickers. Stickers let you overlay text or images onto your product images to highlight special details. They draw attention to the key products and boost customer confidence. The best part, you can design them once and apply them to multiple products quickly using tags. Let me show you how this works. First, let's install the free Stickers plugin and go to its settings page. We'll create two stickers, one for new in and another for best sellers. To create our first sticker, follow these simple steps. I'll go ahead and name this one new in, and I'll use the same for the tag. You can use the text box to create and design your sticker. For this demo, I have copied some existing HTML, which I will paste directly into the source box. You can also upload an image if you prefer. For its position, I can use these tiles. I'll place mine at the top of the product image. Lastly, make sure to click the active box or it won't be visible. We're done with the first sticker. Now let's add one more sticker using the same steps, each with a unique name, tag, and content. Hit the Save button to finalize our stickers. Now, to apply our stickers, we need to tag some products. Go to the Products area in Shopblocks Admin System. Here I will use the filters to search for the Virtual Assistant device category. Next, I will select the Apple HomePod Mini and add the first tag we created in stickers called New In. You can find the tag section on the right-hand side of the page here. Now, let's check on the front-end website. By searching for the Virtual Assistant devices, we can see our sticker is in place for the customer. Let's tag some more, and this time I will demo how to tag multiple products at once. For this example, we will go back to the Products search page and filter the category to soundbar speakers. Using the checkboxes on the left-hand side, we will bulk select the appropriate products, click the Bulk Action button, and then add our second tag, Best Sellers. After a few moments, your selected products will be updated with their new tag. Again, let's check our front-end website and search for soundbar speakers. Here we can see our bestseller stickers are in place. It's that easy. Stickers are quick to set up and provide a simple way to promote specific items in your online shop. If you need help setting up stickers, contact your Shopblocks Customer Success Manager. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.